today we are going to see the superposition theorem. In the last video, we talked about the mesh current analysis and nodal analysis. So today we shall see the superposition theorem. So the main basic idea in the superposition theorem is that if you will be asked to find what? To find voltage. If you are asked to find voltage, so first we have two loop 1 and loop 2, or mesh 1 and mesh 2. So therefore, the voltage that we are asked to find will be equals to what? V1 plus what? Plus V2. That's how is it. So therefore, use the superposition theorem to what? Use the superposition theorem to find what? Voltage in what? In the circuit below. So therefore, how can I find this? So in superposition theorem, I have to first look at what? At the current. So I have to short circuit the current. If I short circuit the current, and then I will find what? Another current. If I find another current, and then I will simplify again and find what? The value of what? Of voltage 1. And also, if I'm going to find V2, I will first make what? The voltage source to be what? To be 0. If I make it to be 0, so then I will be able to find what? The value of what? V2, which is what? The voltage, the second voltage, so that I can sum them in order to find what? The voltage in what? In the superposition theorem question that we are given here. So the first thing I will going to do is that I have to short circuit what? The 3 So therefore, if I'm to short circuit, I will have positive and negative, which is what? The source. And therefore, I'm having what? I have what? The resistance here. So if I have the resistance, also I have resistance here. And then I will have 0 and what? Okay, sorry, not 0. This is what? Short circuit. So therefore, I short circuit what? The 3 amp. If I'm to short circuit, this is what we call what? Short circuit. So I short circuit with the 3 amp because I remove it. Because this is what? Because this circuit and this circuit are not no longer joined by now. So therefore, I have what? I have the 4 ohm resistance. I have the positive and negative voltage here. And therefore, I have what? I have 8 ohm resistance, and also I have what? I have 6 voltage. So therefore, as I said before, I will first find what? The value of what? The value of current, because now I'm not having current. So therefore, if I use the Ohm's law formula, which says that V it is equals to what? I, and therefore V it is equals to what? Sorry, I have the value of V. The value of V, which is what? 6 voltage. So therefore, it will be equals to what? Current. What's the value of current? The value of current, I'm looking for it. And therefore, I have the resistance. 8 ohm plus 4 ohm resistor, we are having what? 12. So therefore, 12. And if I divide both sides by what? 12 by 12. 12 will cancel 12. And therefore, the current, it will be equals to what? 6 divided by 6 divided by 12, I will end up having 0.5. Yeah, 0.5. So therefore, the value of what? Of the current, it is equals to what? It is equals to 0.5. So therefore, the next thing to do, I'm going to find the voltage, because I'm not looking for current, but rather I'm looking for the voltage, which is V1. So therefore, I will also use the Ohm's law. V it is equals to IR, but for now I'm not having a V. Therefore, V it will be equals to IR. What is the value of I? I, which is what? This current, 0.5 multiplied by the resistor. Which resistor? The resistor that we are looking for its voltage. Here is the voltage. So therefore, we are looking for what? This voltage. So therefore, we will use what? This 4 ohm resistor. So therefore, 4 multiplied by 0.5, it will be equals to what? 2. So therefore, V1 it is what? 2 voltage. So we are done with what? V1. The next thing, we are moving to what? We have to make this voltage to become what? 0. So therefore, it will become like this. The circuit will turn like this. And therefore, I have what? The current, which is 3 amp. Therefore, I have 4 ohm, positive, negative, and voltage. I have 8 ohm. So, what next? So as you can see, we did not longer have voltage anymore because we are looking for the voltage. So what next are we going to do? The next thing I should do is that Ohm's law will not longer work here. But if we recall the voltage divider, the voltage division rule, yeah, it can work. As you can see, for instance, let me say this is what I1. So therefore, if the current passes from this terminal, it comes what? It comes to 8 ohm, and therefore the current will pass to this 4 ohm resistor. So let me call this one I2. Let me call this one I what? I3. So therefore, if I name them, I'm looking for the current that is passing through what? Through I3, because that is the point that I will find my second voltage. So therefore, I have to say what? I3, it will be equals to what? It will be equals to, let me say 8, according to voltage divider, 8 over the total what? The sum of what? Of the resistor, which is 8 plus what? 4 multiplied by what? The actual current, which is equal to 3 ohm. So therefore, 8 multiplied by 3, 24 divided by 12, which will be equals to what? Will be equals to 2 amp. So therefore, the current is what? 2 amp. And also, I'm not looking for what? For the amp, but rather I'm looking for what? For my second voltage. So therefore, I3, it will be, okay, sorry, not I3. My voltage, it will be equals to I, which is 2 multiplied by what? The resistance. Because I'm looking for what? The second resistance. Sorry, I'm looking for what? Second voltage through what? Through this 4 ohm resistance. So first, if this V, it is what? It's located here. So therefore, I will use the 8 ohm resistor, not 4 ohm resistor. But it's located at here, so therefore, I will use the 4 ohm resistor. So therefore, it will be equal to 2 multiplied by 4 is the same thing as 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8. So therefore, it will be equals to what? 8 voltage. So therefore, are we done? We are not done, because find the circuit of what? Of the figure. They did not determine where are we going to find the voltage, either the voltage of this or this, but just of the figure. So therefore, we have to sum. As I said before, V, it is equals to what? The total voltage is equals to V1 plus what? Plus V2, which will be equals to the value of V1, which is 2 voltage plus what? Plus 8 voltage. Therefore, it will be equals to what? It will be equals to 10 voltage. So therefore, this is all I have for you for today.